Today I'm filming for Shop My Stash for September. Keep watching the video to see what I pick. It is Shop My Stash time. It is now September 1st, 2022, and I need to pull out some products so I can use them for the month of September. So September, here we come. I know I'm going to use stuff from this pile over here because I have a lot of new things. So I am going to use this palette right here. It's a small one. I have this for about a year and I haven't touched it yet. I keep forgetting about my little palette. I keep forgetting about this. Believe it, 1 year and it is still not touched. Next palette I want is this BH Cosmetics that I purchased this from TJ Maxx for $7.99, and I have swatched a little of it, but I have not used it. Two palettes so far. If I need anything else, I will come back for them. Now for my love affair with lip color, let's see. I'm going to go back all the way to the back. I'm going to go all the way in the back. I think I'll take this. Let's see what color it looks like. Makeup Revolution. I won this from H Graceful. Check her channel out. And what other colors I have not touched? I'll try this. I got this in the Boxy Charm. I need something else. Let's see what else I can get. Do I need brown? Let's see. I'm not quite sure yet. No. I will take this brown. That was given to me by my friend. These three colors are looking very pretty together. Ooh, I love it. So I have 3 lip colors, 2 palettes, and I need some. Always making noise. I'll take the 2 color pop. We're out of focus. Why? I'm taking the 2 color pop powders I have. Finishing powder, I will take. No, that's my finishing powder. What else do I need? Blush. I need blush. What blush do I need? Let's see, did I use this blush set before? I'm going to take this blush set. And win this from Leanna Dalton. Check her channel out. I'll try this blush set this time. I think that is it for that. If I remember anything else, I will. My Shop My Stash is always very short because I have products that I need to use, so I don't want to accumulate more than I need to. But I always like a good palette, and I always like a good eyeshadow palette. If I see one, I will get one. Okay, I couldn't talk much because we had a truck that was making a lot of noise, so now it's gone, so I'm finishing up. I pull everything. This is my avocado toast palette by BH Cosmetics I'll be using. This is my, I'm not sure why we're so dark today. This is my Sephora palette, which I got a while back. It's called Mysticura. Eyeshadow palette. It is very, very pretty. I'm having light problems. This is very, very pretty. This is the name right here. I got this from Sephora, so I'll be using that palette. And this is my blush palette. These are the powders. These are pressed powders by Colourpop. I'm using the Colourpop pressed powders, Natasha Denona, her finishing powder. I'm gonna use a 360 Mocha foundation. I'm keeping that from August. I'm using the bronzer from Colourine from August Shop My Stash. This is my Shop My Stash for September. And I'll be using stuff from here. These are my pencils, my graphic liners, my contour sticks, my mascara, my glitter glue, my eyeliners, all of this good old stuff I'll be using, along with my brushes. These are all my brushes, and my sponges are down here. My sponges, some brushes, and all of that stuff. So this is September Shop My Stash. See you soon in the next video. Remember to always love self plenty and take care of self. Do the best you can on any given day. And I will see you soon. Bye.